And we're going to start with prefixes and unit conversions. So unit conversions, think something basic like this, so non-specific chemistry units. First, we're going to talk prefixes, we're going to talk specific chemistry unit conversions. All right. So if I wanted to set up a problem to go from a starting point to an ending point, we would want to identify our unknown. We want to identify our goal. Identify what info we need. And then do the setup in math. And last thing is it just doesn't make sense. Or just some stepwise problems. And these steps are going to apply anytime we're doing any of our math problems. So anytime we're trying to convert from one thing to another, whether it be moles or minutes to seconds or grams, it doesn't matter. So our first, identify the unknown in our particular problem we have right now. Our unknown is the number of seconds. Our goal is to get to, this is supposed to say given, wasn't it? Our given information was 3.2 hours. Info we need to go from hours to seconds is going to be that 1 hour is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. Or we can combine the two and we can say 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds. Okay, either way, doesn't matter. One of the other things we talked about when we started working with conversion problems is writing out conversion factors. To write out conversion factors, we take an equivalence statement and we write it as two fractions. So we're going to write this one as two fractions. I'm going to assume that this approach is just longer, and if you want to, you could do a two-step problem here, but I'm going to do a one-step problem. So I'm going to write the two possible fractions for my problem, and then I'm going to start setting it up. So when we set up a problem, we always start with what we're given. Then we're going to choose a conversion factor that will cancel out what we were given to leave behind what we want. In this case, like I said, we're going to use one that actually works for us. So we're going to identify that if we want to cancel something out, it has to be on top and bottom of a fraction. So the hour is going to go on the bottom, the seconds on top. We're going to cross out our unit to make sure that we understand that it's gone now. Then we're going to multiply across and divide by what's on the bottom. Which gets us the calculator. We're gonna want them today. I got a big old number. Okay?